I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. Next week, Green Market Report is hosting its next virtual event on April 13th. The topic is Cannabis Special Purpose Acquisition Companies, or SPACs. Now, what was once seen as a promising path to IPO may have already peaked. You'll need to register and tune in to find out the latest on cannabis SPACs. Virginia is now the 17th state to legalize cannabis for adult use and the 4th state to do so by passing a bill through its state legislature versus going to the voters. On Wednesday, Virginia lawmakers approved a bill that will legalize, regulate, and tax cannabis sales for adults 21 and over. But it's probably going to be another 2 years before the state sees any real retail sales. Boy, consolidation is continuing within the industry this week. We have the big kahuna, Canopy Growth, buying the Supreme Cannabis Company in a deal valued at approximately $435 million. Supreme Cannabis's portfolio of brands includes 7 Acres, 7 Acres Craft Collective, Bliss Coast, Sugarleaf, and Highway. Now, the combination of these two companies will lead to a pro forma recreational market share in Canada of 13.6%. That's based on Headset data. Florida-based Trulieve is making a big move in Pennsylvania with the acquisition of Keystone Shops from Anna Holdings. That deal is valued at $60 million. Keystone has locations in Philadelphia, Devon, and King of Prussia. Organogram Holdings has acquired the Edibles and Infusion Corporation in a deal valued at $35 million. And Trulieve Holdings has successfully completed the previously announced acquisition of the European-based EMAC Life Sciences. That deal was valued at over $50 million. And we have a couple of earnings to mention this week. Planet 13 announced fourth quarter revenues of $20.1 million for the fourth quarter, and that is versus $16.5 million in the 2019 quarter. For the full year, the company reported $70.5 million versus 2019's $63 million. Now, the net loss for the year was $7.9 million. Forefront Ventures announced revenues of $46 million in 2020 versus $14 million in 2019. They trimmed their net losses down to $47 million for 2020 versus $182 million in 2019. And those are the big headlines this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt with the Green Market Report. You can find out all the information for registering for our virtual event on the website.